What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2018 Honda Pilot. This one's got the touring trim, comes with some really cool features on the interior. We'll check out the exterior first here. It comes with LED headlights, fog lights, front bumper sensors, two-tone alloy rims, got chrome trimming on the door handles, around the windows. Really clean paint job on this Pilot. It's got no dents or scratches. Then on the back here, we got a backup camera. You get the touring badge to the right, and then an automatic power lift gate. You just tap the button to the right of the backup camera. Seats up to 8 people. We got 3 rows of leather seats, 3 in the middle, 3 in back. It's got AC vents for this back row, cup holders, and then you got all the mats back here. You can throw down this third row of seating. You can even throw down that second row if you want even more space. And then this will close automatically with that button. Lastly, this does come with blind spot monitors, keyless entry on the doors, and then on your key fob here, if you make sure that the Pilot is locked, tap this button to the left twice, hold it on the second time. It'll start up your Pilot. So let's check out the interior. Alright guys, so as for the interior of this Pilot, it's got a leather wrapped steering wheel, comes with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, cruise control, and then over here on the right you get your lane keep and your adaptive cruise control. It's also got paddle shifters on the back. Over to the left of the wheel, you got the rear view mirror controls and eco mode, parking sensors here, and then your lane departure warning, traction control, and your collision warning. Over to the left on the driver's side door panel, you got a couple different buttons. So your front 2 windows are automatic. You have seat memory for this driver's side one, and then your gas cap, your trunk latch, and then your hood latch, and then your e-brake. So everything is just right here, really accessible. You got a couple different compartments, one down low, one right here, a little bit of space in front of it, and then your door handle. Coming over to the display, we have an upgraded display with a couple of really cool options. It comes with navigation. You can also go back to the menu. I'll go home real quick. They keep it really simple. Get a couple screens, navigation, phone connection. We get rear audio. I'll go into that in a sec. But you also do have smartphone connection. Just down here you have 2 USBs, 12-volt power socket. And then it comes stock with dual zone AC in the passenger side and the driver's side with heated front seats. A push to start button. And then behind all of this we have our gear shifter. It's actually 4 separate buttons. So we have a parking button, pull back for reverse, push for neutral, push for drive, and then a snow mode, and then your automatic engine start and stop system. Got a DVD Blu-ray disc player for this rear entertainment TV thing here. So you got that for the second and third row. And then in the console, all your headphones, 12-volt power outlet with your aux port and your USB for phone connection. Then a removable compartment. In the back row here, you got a good amount of control. So you have AC controls, temperature, wind speed, and then down below that you have all your inputs, so your AV cables, your headphone jacks, a household plug-in, and then a USB port. Just up above with this screen here, all your controls. So you can control the radio, the aux, and then on each of these doors here, you have a shader, hooks up just up above. 2 cup holders on each door. Good amount of space. You can pull down this console for 2 more cup holders. And then back here you get AC vents, cup holders. Overall, a super spacious SUV. To wrap it up on this Honda Pilot, it's in great condition. It's got no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. It's a 1-owner vehicle with just over 28,000 miles. Under the hood, it's packing a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Gets up to 20 miles per gallon in city, 27 on the highway. Seats up to 8 people with a really spacious interior. Got that rear entertainment system. Comes with navigation, Bluetooth capabilities, tons of safety features, beautiful paint job. It's got a moonroof, come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.